Hey, so I've been working on this thing. Got neighbors that hack. Couldn't quite figure out how, but I had a good idea and I stuck with it, and I stuck with it, and I stuck with it. They're using an antenna setup, an amplifier to override Wi Fi signals and cellular signal to a degree. But the main thing they're doing is generating a signal for the factory settings to be able to access all of your functions. Every last thing your phone can do, every last thing in it can be tested through a wireless connection that you do not control. If you go into your apps, click all apps, go up to the three dots, click show system, and then go through the list, you will find engineering mode or factory mode, sometimes both. This is where they can access everything, make calls from your phone, turn on and off Wi-Fi, turn your signal strength up and down, whatever they want. Um, Here this video goes hanging up again. Look it up yourself. I'll try and put some links on this as soon as I figure out how. But here's the thing. This electronic world is even more dangerous than the world in the 60s and 70s where people were getting beat in the streets. Where your phone, your computer, your smart TV can all be used against you. You know, they access. The first thing I caught was the accessing of my microphone. They kept doing it in ways that would show me they were accessing it. And then just one thing after another, they kept small things would be different, and I would just figure out what they were doing. Little at a time, be able to block some of it here and there. But I don't know anything about this stuff, so I'm just like doing caveman stuff, like flip off the light switch, flip on the light switch, yank the wire out of the wall, that kind of thing. But it was working. And then I finally got the bright idea to just tell the world about it. And I emailed the sheriff literally everything about it along the way. And now this situation, with the connecting of all the permissions. By the way, click on that factory or engineering mode and look at how many permissions it has. It has permission to do everything on your phone, and you didn't give it that permission. Screen recorder, also on your phone. Android phone. Both of these things are on your Android phone and can be used against you. Screen recorder has the function where it even shows your touch points on the screen as you do them. Of course, on a delay for the person watching it. It's called screen recorder. I also have voice recorder built into your phone. I recommend taking that out. That one you can uninstall. I've never seen or heard of anybody being able to uninstall the screen recorder. And be careful about trying to disable things. Be careful about trying to disable things when you're in the app settings and all that. Sometimes it will screw your phone up, won't restart. What you want to do is just shut off the direct Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi access. If you click some things, you click advanced down the bottom, you can see menus like allowing permissions or turning on and off Wi-Fi data, things like that, run in the background. You want to turn that off so it can't run when you're not looking, not on the screen. It's just ridiculous, but every device we have basically has some kind of wireless test mode. Think about it. That's scary, man. I mean, I stumbled across this just because I'm intuitive. I seen something weird on my phone, I had to figure out why. And little by little, I figured it out. Like they're using a little Yagi antenna kit off of Amazon or eBay. For less than $100, you can broadcast a stronger cellular signal than the tower. Same thing goes for Wi-Fi. You can they mimic pass points on T-Mobile, which is like an Anywhere Connect type thing. If you hit one of the pass points, your phone automatically logs into it. That was one of the things they were using. Once you get into the engineering mode, though, you can turn on and off Wi-Fi and log in and out of Wi-Fi without the person that owns the phone knowing a damn thing about it. Literally everything. Well, you'll see if you go to my post. I'll try to link it to this. Literally every function it had is scary. You'll see. It's like 6 pictures that show over the whole list. Peace, and be safe electronically.